Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the issue where thumbnail icons are not showing in Windows search and start menus. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing a problem where the thumbnail icons for your applications are missing from the Windows search menu and the start menu, this video is for you. We will explore a few troubleshooting steps to resolve this. First, let's check a setting within File Explorer that might be related, although it primarily affects File Explorer itself. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the File Explorer window. From the drop-down menu, select Options. In the Folder Options window, navigate to the View tab. Ensure that the option labeled Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails is unchecked. While this setting does not directly influence the Start menu icons, it's a good initial check. For the Start menu and search results, the core issue often lies with a corrupted icon cache. To clear this, search for Disk Cleanup in your Windows search bar and open the application. Once Disk Cleanup launches, select the drive you wish to clean, usually your C drive, and click OK. In the next window, check all the boxes that appear, especially those related to temporary files and thumbnails. Then click OK and confirm by selecting Delete Files. This process will remove outdated icon cache data, allowing Windows to rebuild it. If clearing the disk cache does not resolve the missing thumbnail issue, we can try adjusting performance settings. Search for Performance in your Windows search bar and click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. If any option other than Adjust for Best Appearance is selected, choose Adjust for Best Appearance, click Apply, and then click OK. This setting prioritizes performance and ensures that visual elements like thumbnails are rendered correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.